Here's a toilet fill valve, and this is only $9. Here's the wax ring for the toilet, and here's the handle that broke off. This one here is only $8. So I got everything I need under 25 bucks. And to tell you the truth, it's the first time I'll be using this one here. Used to have a red one. This is as you can see, it's actually new. Let's shut off the water here. It's oh, looks like somebody tried to get creative. Well, we're about to find out if this actually solves all the problems they claim to say. Well, what do you know? It actually does. Now these things go counterclockwise instead of clockwise. All right, so we got the water off. Now let's see. Here's not. All right, let's see. Now we're gonna try this other section. We'll remove the other fittings. Let's see if this other one works. That'll work. Definitely not that. Okay, so. Nope. Well, this part actually failed me because it doesn't grab that other part at the bottom. And apparently it's supposed to solve every issue when it comes to these things. The older